Yardie Style, I take it to them again with another review. And this time we want to settle it. That little match something I always say I go around on the internet was part of this big debate, whether the answer is 9 or whether the answer is 1. And we not talk about them people that will get some ridiculous answer, you know. We are talking about, yeah, man, then a true man, there are some people get some answer where, I don't know, it look like they shouldn't even left basic school, but that's a fair another time. Yeah, so we want to know now whether the answer is 9 or whether the answer is 1. The calculator, we are talking about a calculator like this. Your Casio, your Sharp, your Panasonic, or whichever. Say the answer is 1. But on a device like this, like your smartphone calculator, or your tablet calculator, or some other calculator where depends on some other things, it has a 9. So the question is, which one we work with? We can work with the two of them, not true. But you can't get tablet and smartphone or your smartwatch or then sit there going to exam. A calculator, you have to go in at the exam. Let me put this out there for now. When you're going at the exam, your calculator, your pencil, your pen, your sharpener, your rubber, and your ruler. Hey, welcome to your Google. You understand? So make we test it on the tablet, you know. So 6 divided by 2, open parentheses, 1 plus 2, close parentheses, and we get 9. All right, let's see if we can see it on the calculator, yes or no. So see it there? On the calculator, you have 6 divided by 2, open parentheses, 1 plus 2, close parentheses, equal 1. See that? So this has a 1, that has it 9. Right? So what we want to try to determine right here so now is which one of them things, you know them little rule that what they give you when time we go to school. Yeah, man. My opinion, I tell me say the calculator use this. So the calculator, we tell us say a 1. So what I believe say take place here so now, I believe say the calculator now does a boom and go in a bracket and work it out. See there? Bracket. We now know order here, so order just I tell you if you have some kind of indices up here. So like if this should raise to the power, like you'd have 2 square, or you'd have 2 cube, or whatever, this did raise to some power, 6 square, or 6 cube. You see me I say? But we don't have that. So what the calculator do is bypass that, because we don't have it, and jump straight to the multiplication sign, because we don't have 3 or so. So then jump straight and go and multiply. So 2 times 3 suppose to give 6 right there. So no so. You see me I say? So 6 divided by 6 right there, so supposed to give 1. Remove them here so we don't confuse ourselves here so. Yeah, man. Cross out that 6 here, we don't figure here so. You understand what I say? So that's supposed to that's supposed to give you 1 day so. You see me? And we don't need them here. Again, because we do them here in a bracket. So it come here so, it start here so, come here so, end here so. Alright, what the phone calculator do now? The phone calculator say, alright? The phone calculator say, alright? Come in a bracket here so, we get 3. But we read from left to right, which are the case here we have here so now. Bracket, we now no order, same way. But we have division. We read from left to right. See there. So bracket, and then it start divide. It come back on divide out left there so. So 6 divided by 2, you will get 3. Then it multiply. And 3 times 3 equal 9. You see that? We now know more of this, we now know more of that. BIDMAS are basically the same thing. The I, instead of have O, it have I for indices are the same thing. Good? So, BIDMAS again, bracket, we now know indices. We have division, so it start divide. See there. Then you have multiplication. That's now if you do. That's how this. That's how the calculator you do. This. Do that. You see me? So it multiply. We don't have this, we don't have that. PEMDAS. Because see who use PEMDAS, whether the phone or a calculator use PEMDAS. So PEMDAS now. Parentheses. See there? Same thing as bracket. Getting 3 up here so. We now know exponent, which exponent are the same thing as indices and order. We now none of that. So jump straight to multiplication. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And then now it says 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. That's how the calculator do that. So it start multiply, then it divide. We don't have that, we don't have that. PEDMAS. Who use PEDMAS? Bracket, which is parentheses, same way, 3. We don't have that. We never put none for this down here so still. But we now no exponent there so. So it's gonna go read from left to right and divide, and then it come back and multiply this so. And then we don't have this, we don't have this. So we use them there. So what we get out right now? The calculator, I use BOMBDAS. So we realize now, say the calculator, I use this, so I'm going to put C for calculator there, so. The phone, I'm going to put P for phone, or T for tablet, or D for device. A device use this. And the device come back again, can use this. Anyway division come before multiplication, device I use that. Anyway multiplication come before division, the calculator I use that. You see that? And this, out on the device, I use this. And every one of them, once you look and you see this, none of them no more than none, you know. can do them any way you want to do them. But but one I do it straight and one I do it that way there. You see that? Good. Let me know in the comment section still what I want to say.